altered. The way that zinc fingers alter the plants is not genetic modification, but actually they severely finger the genome. They actually push the genome really hard. They kick it, right? They kick it sometimes in thousands of places. We're adding 2 zinc fingers, 2 modules, 2 9 base pair modules. Do we know the 9 base pairs? These 9 base pairs, anywhere they exist in the genome, there's going to be a competition for whether they're upregulated or downregulated, which means expressing more or expressing less in all these areas in the genome. So we're going to like kick it in 2 directions at once.
If you take that particular zinc finger we're going to dip today, and you fuse VP16 to it, which is the activation domain, it looks like this.
That's pretty different than your standard Arabidopsis.
Yeah.
Has it got way the freaking bigger leaves?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, look.
What else is different? Because you have a better eye for Arabidopsis than I do. What do you see here that's unusual for this plant, phenotypically?
It's huge. I mean, and the leaves are huge. The rosette is huge. I mean, it's gigantic. If you look at this is more or less the Arabidopsis wild type, and you can see the difference.
Holy shit.
They're in a similar stage. Okay. It's called 16 VD.
But what's VD stand for?
I have no idea.
For me, it's really venereal disease 16.
Oh, sure, venereal disease.
But it makes for growth.
So just to give you an impression.
The cojones on that VD16. This is the standard Arabidopsis thaliana, workhorse of molecular biology when it comes to plants. Before rice, before wheat, this is the first plant that had its genome sequenced, right? So it's like the initial transcript of plant. For some reason, I think there's some kind of Christian thing about the mustard seed, but these are mustard plants. They're brassica, right? Brassica. If you want to taste one,
sure.
I don't think this is the place to taste it. Have you tried it?
No, I haven't. No.
Really? Would you try this one? Or?
No, no.
I have tasted them, and they're yummy.
We have to remove the flowers, and we have to make sure we don't remove the flower buds.
Right.
Because those are still suitable for dipping.
And what does that mean? They do open after the bacteria is on them, and then they probably fertilize after the infection.
Exactly.
So does the infection infect the eggs, like the ovaries of the plants?
Yeah, I think they infect embryos.
So once the fertilization happens, the bacteria is already there, and it's ready.
Yeah. That's it.
I'm plucking any flowers that are already open. Yeah, so we're taking off all the grown flowers because Arabidopsis often, see what I just did was horrible. Look at
Fucked up.
I pulled off 3 buds with 1 flower. This is the flower.